First time recording with the GoPro. We'll see what's the difference between a phone, iPhone 14 or the GoPro. Anyways, customer reached out to us and wanted to get the Lions kit installed on his Dodge Charger. So we made it happen. He dropped it off last week on a Saturday. Today's Monday. Got to work and we actually finished it in one day. Let's check it out. Yo, before we go inside, I want to give a big thanks to 𝗡𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗏 for coming through clutch, cutting the fenders. Came out sick. Let's see what the guys are cooking. Let's go.